Hi, I'm just so glad that you came in really excited to give a testimony tonight. What's your name?
My name is Susie.
And what did God do for you? You were talking to me just a few minutes about it, but can you just explain to everybody what God has done for you?
Yes, in the beginning of June of this year, I was in this really dark pit in my life. I was in a deep, depression, deep anxiety, and just this heaviness of oppression over my life for a couple weeks. Actually, a friend of mine recommended me to come here to the healing prayer rooms, and I came, and I got prayed over, and I felt some deliverance at that prayer, and I just felt like that God was going to give me my breakthrough. So I came again a second time, and I got prayed over for the same same thing, and God has fully restored that, restored the joy of my salvation. He has gotten me out of that dark pit, and He has given me His peace that surpasses all understanding. And I knew He was with me during that pit. I just knew, but I needed those people of prayer of faith to come alongside of me and lift up my hands for me, because I couldn't lift them at that time. So that's where they came with their faith, and with their, with just that expectation that God is a God of healing, that God is a God of deliverance, and a God of redemption. So I just wanted to share that praise report, and I also have other praise reports as well. And just even now, God, um, um, the last time I came here 2 weeks ago, I had issues with my property management, and now God has changed the hearts. God has, just as the word says, that He changes the hearts of kings. God has changed these hearts of these property management people, and He's just solving the issues that we have within our home. And I just want to say that, thank you for just having this ministry, because it truly is God's work. You guys are doing God's work here. And I just encourage anybody that, is just learning about the healing rooms to just come and take that step of faith, and just know that you're going to be supported here. And there's people here with prayer and expectation that God is going to answer your prayer for you.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us tonight. God bless you.